I think the strongest is probably, well, the stronger one I think is 6337. Still not 100% sure, but for a lot of gaming stuff, I tend to use 6040 for gaming. For MacBooks, I'll use 6337, and for phones, the same thing too. Although I don't work on phones too much, at least right now, not for the moment. I'm sure in the future that's going to change, because my actual shop is getting very close to being open, instead of just being out of my home, which it is right now. See, if this was in the factory, it would be like the least amount of solder possible. That's funny. It'd probably be like that in reality if it was just in the factory. Pretty much you're always going to be better than the factory. Okay. Unless you're like, I don't care. But I take pride in my work, so I do care.